Oh my goodness, guys, look! It's here, it's here, it's here. I'm so excited. Guess what it is? I've been telling you guys I had something special on its way, and it is here. It is here. I'm so excited to show this to you. Hey guys, I am so excited to show you something and bring you in on the big secret that I had talked about a few weeks ago. Do you remember these little trellises that I showed you? I got these for very cheap, and they are very cheaply made because they were breaking down in the soil. And then I showed you that I found these guys in the craft department at the Dollar Tree, but I told you that I had something extra special coming up very soon. And today I finally get to share that with you. These obviously are not going to last long. They were $1. Of course, they're not going to last long. But I wanted to show this to you as an option if you absolutely have no money, like I was at one point in my life, right? As a single mom trying to raise 4 boys. But today, I'm super excited to introduce you to Treleaf. This trellis, I actually got to partner with them, and I received this trellis as a gift so that I could tell you my honest opinion. Now, I want you guys to know that you can trust. I will never, ever steer you wrong. If I did not like this product, I would have sent it back and told them, sorry, but I can't give an honest review on this that is going to be beneficial to you. Okay. So because of that, I can promise you, if I'm reviewing a product, I'm letting you know that it's good. So, or if I've partnered with a product, I should say. I have other reviews out here, but I let you know my honest opinion, right? So today I want to show you this amazing trellis. Wait until you see this. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Oh, also one last thing. Treleaf has given you guys a gift. If you use this code, you'll get 10% off your order. Now, let me tell you, their prices, I was actually very shocked. They are really reasonable. I mean, I'm on a very strict budget. I'm probably on a stricter budget than any of you guys out there. Like, I am such a tightwad, honestly. I really am. I hate spending money. But trellises, if you have houseplants, you know that trellises sometimes are a necessity. So I'm super excited to share these with you guys and tell you all about the benefits. This is my way of going the second mile so that you don't have to. All right, so I'm going to bring you guys along for the unboxing of this beautiful trellis. I'm so excited. Okay, so you guys are going to get a first look with me because I have not seen this yet. Okay. Packaged very nicely. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Oh, wow, nice. Oh yeah, they do. Hey, and guess what? This paper, guess where this is going? This is going in the compost because that is totally compostable. The box too. All I have to do is just remove the printing part off of it. All right, look at this package. Okay, I want to take a picture of this really quick. Okay, guys, this is the big moment. Oh, this is so exciting. Okay. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Wow. I am so excited. Oh, I wish you guys could see how beautiful this is. The camera does not do it justice. Zella by Treleaf. Treleaf, I think that's how you say it. Treleaf. This is the Zella. That's so awesome. It's beautiful. It smells good too. It smells like real wood. Okay. Let's see. These are the extending pieces. I gotta figure out how this thing works. Gosh, oh, it's so pretty. Like it's very smooth on this side. Let me see if I can get the camera to focus on it. You can see it's a little bit rough texture on this side. Oh, it smells so good. Art is going to love this. He loves wood. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, let me figure it out and then I'll be right back. Okay, well, that did not take long to figure out at all, like 10 seconds. And then I realized the instructions were right here on the back. Okay, so I'm going to read this to you real quick. It says, stylish plant support. Every potted plant deserves support. Say goodbye to ugly moss poles, bamboo stakes, or wire hangers. Use these functional pieces for your potted babies. Design inspiration. This trellis is inspired by the ZZ plant. Each trellis is one of a kind with a unique grain structure that is sure to be a statement piece at your home. Why add support to your plants? Or why support your plants? Add height and provide structure to your plants. Letting vines climb helps the leaves become larger. Climbing leaves mature faster, inducing fenestrations. Adding structure and support helps expose leaves to sunlight and air. Helps improve circulation around the plant, minimizing pest issues. Turn your plants into art. Get inspired by the Treleaf family. And they use the hashtag #GrowWithTreleaf. If you use that hashtag on social media, anywhere, you'll see lots of inspiration pieces and stuff. And remember, guys, I have a discount code that you can use. So I'm going to pop that up on the screen again. But the code is Second Mile Journey, all spelled out just like our original channel name and our website. Okay, so here's the instructions right here. Install the base unit into the pot. Insert clips into the notches. Add the extension unit or the end cap, depending on the configuration you want to use. Attach the vines using plant Velcro or ties. A video guide is also available if you prefer. Hey, I might, if it's not too long, I might pop that up in my video as well. But I'll also put that QR code up on the screen so that you guys can scan it. And I'll put a link to where this QR code is going. I'll put that link in the description if you're watching from your phone and can't scan it. Okay, so, oh man, I dumped all this out without showing you. But anyway, this little envelope, I just dumped everything out, but here is what was in that. So we've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these. And then we've got this piece, and this piece was broken, but I think I just did that. I think I did it when I dumped it out, but I think I can glue it back together. Oh, okay, I see, like this. I think I did that myself because I was being too rough. I was so excited. Yeah, I've got some super glue in there, so I'll just glue that back together. Not a big deal at all. But it did come with 2 of these, so I'll use this one for now, and I'll get this one glued back together. Okay, so on the special notes down here, it says, as this is a handmade product and each piece is one of a kind, there might be a slight variation in the colors from the pictures. There might be slight burn marks on the pieces, which is common for laser cut. The burn marks do not affect the function of the trellises. Like all laser cut products, there is an odor of burnt wood that reduces with time. Not recommended for those sensitive to odors. I don't smell an odor. I just smell like cedar smell. This product is intended for indoor use only. Each trellis comes with a 6-month warranty. And guys, I did see on their website too, they do treat these so that they last, you know, because normally wood isn't going to last in soil for long.
These are what the bottom of the trellises look like. We waterproof them, and we have spent many years kind of perfecting this formula, and now they are waterproof and they will last for years. And as long as the soil stays within this black part here, your trellis will last for years. I know for a fact because I have used many trellises in many of my plants. This trellis here, for example, I've had in this plant for years and it is still holding very strong. So there you go. Yeah, that is what the bottom looks like if you wanted to take a look. And also make sure to always use these trellises for indoor use because they will fall apart outdoors. They're not meant for outdoor plants, but for indoor plants.
But I'm excited. I think this is going to last a long time. This is one of their more expensive trellises because it's a kit, it's an extendable kit, but they have a lot more others that are smaller and cheaper and stuff. This one, if you like this design, is $65, but with my 10% off code, that takes $650 off. So that means you can get it for under $60 for this big one. But I'm going to show you what we're going to put it together and put it in my Monstera plant here in just a moment. Okay, before I take any clippings of this guy, I just want to admire the beauty of this one. All of the fenestrations, it's just such a beautiful plant that you can tell, like, I mean, my goodness, yeah, it's time, definitely time. But we're going to take some clippings and then we're going to get him trellised up and he's going to be good as new, right? I can't wait. Here we go. Okay, every time I take clippings from him, I'm just so scared. Like, I don't know. I know they're going to do fine, but like I never want to cut very low because it's just such a beautiful plant. Okay, right here, can you guys see this? I'm going to cut right here. And you can see we got some leaf nodes right here. Do you see all those? Yep. So we're gonna pop that in water here in a second. Let me find another one and then I'm gonna show you what my plan is. We're gonna do an experiment. You know I love those. Hold on, Rocco. Okay. So we got some leaf nodes here and up here and even up here for aerial roots and everything. Okay, let me show you what we're gonna do. All right, this is my rooting hormone. I don't like to dip plants straight into it, just in case I don't want to introduce disease or anything. So here's what we're going to do. This is the first clipping we took. It was more straight. This one was the second clipping we took that I said had new growth on it. It was difficult to get in there because it was curved. So I don't want to take that one back out. So this one, I'm going to dip this one in the rooting hormone. And then in my next houseplant video, we will check on these and see which one's doing the best. So we'll see if rooting hormone is really needed or not. I've done this before, but I always wind up forgetting which one I put the rooting hormone in. And this time I won't forget because I've got it on camera, right? Okay, I don't have the tripod over here, so I had to do this off camera, but I did get some rooting hormone on there. And now we're just going to put this back in here very, very gently. And so that one has rooting hormone, that one does not. And we will check on these guys again in the next one. We are about to trellis our Monstera, but first I want to remind you, so I had gotten these. These were $6 on Shein, and you can see how thin they are. And then again, these I got at the Dollar Tree in the craft department, also very thin. Okay, Now let's compare some sizes here real quick. Can you see? And then if you recall in that last video where I had shown you these, this thing still didn't come to the top of the, even this one did not come to the top of the Monstera plant. And then here is our new trellis. I'm gonna have to back up to show you this, but let me show you the sides. So I want you to see the comparison, okay? Let me show you one at a time. Okay, so this is the Sheen one for $6, right? And it is like paper thin. Okay, here is a Dollar Tree one, and you can see how thin that is. These would break very easily if I wasn't careful. They would definitely break very easily. Let me see if okay, there we go. Okay, so now let's compare them height by height. Do you see this? So this is right here. I'm going to hold it there so that you can see how much higher up this one goes, okay? So I haven't even put the extension on. I've just put the end cap on. So we're going to put, let me adjust the camera. Okay, so I think I'm going to use both of these pieces. So I'll go get the other one in a minute. But this, let me give you a close-up of the, remember what she said in that little clip about how they perfected this little waterproof piece. Okay, so since it wants to naturally fall that way, I'll put this side here. Oh my gosh, isn't this so beautiful? Oh, you can't really see it very well, can you? Okay, can you see it very well? Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, let me go get the other piece. Okay, I've got the other piece and I want to show you guys because I had went ahead and put the extension on it. Look how tall it is compared to Rocky. Like, and Rocky's a big boxer. So, okay, for an example, here we go. It's taller than my countertop, which is the average countertop height, which is, I think, 36 inches countertop height. So it's taller than that with the extension on it. So let me show you how. Okay, those little things, they just slide on there. I'll show you another one in a second. But that is how you attach those. So I'm going to go ahead and put one in with the extension on it just so that you can see. Okay, so there's the Monstera with the extension up there. Man, it looks so pretty. Okay, let me put them back in his pot and show you so you don't have this messy background in the background. Okay, so here is my pot. There's the extension piece, but see, this guy still has a little ways to go before he even reaches the top of this one. Probably could go ahead and clip off some more. I really like his fullness. What do you guys think? I like how full it is. Man, that's so beautiful. Let me give you guys a better close up here. Such a good long piece. I really should. Yeah, I may take another clipping. There's a lot of leaf nodes there. So now, if you want one of these Treleaf Trellises, I'm going to share the code with you, and I'm going to pop it up on the screen. It's going to be in the description. There will be a link in the description too, so that you can go straight to their website and check out all of the great trellises. I mean, they have some under $30. I was really blown away. And so anyway, let me know what you guys think. These trellises are awesome. And remember to go the second mile today for someone in your life and with your resources.